Okay, in this lesson now, we're going to look at solving more complicated quadratic equations. We've done them in the past, but in previous lessons, it was always just things like x squared plus 4x plus 6 equals 0, okay? When it was just 1x squared. Today, like this one, the x squared coefficient is not going to be 1. This one is 2, for example. Luckily, we've done lots of work on factorizing more complex quadratics. So one more step today, and we're going to win. I'm not going to show you my entire thought process today for factorizing quadratics because that's been done in the previous videos. So you need to refer back to those, okay? They're called advanced factorizing. Watch those first before you try and do this video. Otherwise, you'll find it difficult. So we've been told to factorize this and then solve it. So I will do what I'm supposed to do. I will factorize this, and I know from previous lessons, right, I'm not going to show the box method because I showed you in previous lessons. I know this will definitely factorize to this. Again, see the previous videos if you need help on how to factorize. All right, so this is the left-hand side, and we've been told that equals 0. Remember from before, on these equations, there's a times sign here you can't see. And if two things are multiplied together and they make 0, then either this one's 0 here, or that one's 0, because you can't make 0 by multiplying any other way apart from timesing by 0. So either the first bracket equals 0, or the second bracket equals 0. Sorry, this is something properly. Okay, x plus 2 equals 0. And now we have to solve both these equations. Well, this one's easy, okay? Remember, take the 5 away. So 2x equals minus 5. Then divide by 2. So either negative 2, this will be negative 2.5, but I will leave it as a fraction because it just looks a bit better. In this case here, just take 2 away, and x equals negative 2. So there's two solutions, either x equals negative 5 over 2, which is minus 2.5, or x equals minus 2, and we are done. Next one. Perhaps you could pause it and have a go and see what happens. Okay, welcome back. So first things first, I'm going to factorize the left-hand side. So I got 3x here and x here. And I think I'd have plus 11 here and minus 1 here. And that should work. It does. So either now the first bracket equals 0, or the second bracket equals 0. And then this time you'd add the 1 on, and then divide by 3. So x equals 1/3, or 0.3 recurring. Leave it as 1/3 though. And this one, take away the 11, you will get x equals negative 11. So there's two solutions here, okay? We're done with that one. Next one, again, when you pause it, have a go and see what happens. Okay. Right. So here we go. I'm going to factorize this now again. So here I go. 5x and x. This time, okay, I think I need a minus. Oh, what I need here? Minus. Oh, this one tricky. I think. Will this one even factorize? I know they're both negative. I don't think this one will factorize. 5 times 3 is 15. 1 times I think there's a typing error here. Yeah, Mr. Thompson, you're so sloppy. I think that should be 9 there. All right. Yeah, that should be 9. Now I'll factorize. Don't tell no one, yeah? All right. This one now will factorize to this. I think I gotta check. I'm gonna bet this is minus 50. That factorizes now. My fault. All right. One mistake per lesson. You know what I'm like. Okay, so either the first bracket equals 0, or second bracket equals 0. And then this one, you'd add the 3 on. So 5x equals 3, or then divide by 5. So x equals 3/5, or 0.6. It's up to you. I'm a fractions man though, so 3/5 for me is definitely better. This one, you'd add the 3 on. So x equals 3. Oof. All right, so that's a bit careless of me. All right, but the right question now and the right answers. All right. So for the main task, is here. There's actually only 8 questions. This one's so difficult, I've called it 8, 9, and 10. All right. It's 3 questions in one because it's so difficult. That's my amusing joke for the day. So make sure you have a go at these now. All right. Pause it, have a go, and then come back to me, and I'll probably just write the answers on the board, so to speak, when you come back to me. Okay. All right. Welcome back. So the answers are as follows. This is x is negative 3/2, and x equals 4. This one is x equals negative 2/3, or x equals 4. Number 3, I got x equals negative 3/2, and x equals negative 1. Number 4, he says, turn the page over quickly. I got x equals 5/2, or 2.5, or negative 1. This one, I got x equals 1/3, or x equals negative 1. Number 6, I've got x equals 3/2, or x equals 5. And then what else do I need to do now? I need to look at number 7, which I got here is x equals negative 4/3, and x equals positive 6. And this last one here, x equals 4/3 I got. Okay, or x equals 3/8. This one was extremely difficult. If you get any of the first 5 right today, you're doing a great job. All right, the checking questions. So question 1, maybe you want to pause it and have a go and see what happens, yeah? Okay, so I'll write the question down again. Hopefully I can fit it all on the board. Here we go. So when I factorize this, I got this. And when you change the signs, etc., at the end, okay, put equal to 0, you get x equals 1/3 for the first bracket, and x equals 2 for the second bracket. And then if I do question 2, again, sorry, I forgot to format this. It's Times New Roman. Sorry. So this one now, I've got to factorize this one, haven't I? All right, let me try doing it then. I haven't actually got this on my answer sheet here, so I'll have to try and blag it as I go along. Oh, actually, Mr. Thompson. Pay attention, sir, pay attention. Look, if you look at this one, oh, little sneaky little thing, this one almost caught me out. Look at this 7 here. All right, to make this factorizing work, you've got to have the right-hand side equal to 0. So this 7's got to go. And because it's plus 7 here, I got to take it away. Oh, I almost got caught out there. So I got 2x squared at 5x, all right? And 9 take away 7 is positive 2. All right, whew, I was close. Now it'll factorize. In fact, it'll factorize ridiculously easy, this one, won't it? Okay, even I can do this one. I got plus 1 here and plus 2 here, equal to 0. And then if you do the whole, equals 0 thing and solve for x, the first bracket will be negative 1/2, and the second bracket will be negative 2. All right, so I'll leave it there now. Sorry about the mistake on example 3. But hey, all done. Catch you in a bit. Stay safe. Nice one.